Birthdays are a special time for many, filled with excitement and anticipation for what gifts may come. But for one woman, her simple request for her birthday turned into a whole ordeal. In an article from Slate, the author shares her experience of asking her husband for a modest gift and the surprising reaction she received. It's a story that highlights the importance of communication and understanding in relationships, and serves as a reminder that sometimes, the simplest things can cause the biggest reactions. The author begins by introducing us to the concept of pay dirt, Slate's money advice column. It's a place where readers can anonymously seek guidance on financial matters. And in this case, the reader has a question about her husband's reaction to her birthday request. She shares that 2 years ago, when her husband asked her what she wanted for her birthday, she simply asked for something affordable and practical. But to her surprise, he acted as if she had asked for the moon. This situation may seem familiar to many, as it's not uncommon for people to have different expectations and reactions when it comes to gifts. The author delves into the underlying issue here, communication. She reflects on how often we assume our partners know what we want or expect, without actually verbalizing it. And when those expectations are not met, it can lead to misunderstandings and hurt feelings. But this article also touches on a deeper issue, societal expectations and gender roles. The author mentions how women are often portrayed as materialistic and demanding when it comes to gifts, while men are expected to be practical and frugal. This can create unnecessary pressure and tension in relationships. The author concludes by emphasizing the importance of open communication and understanding in relationships. She encourages readers to have honest conversations with their partners about their expectations and to not let societal stereotypes dictate their actions. It's a powerful reminder that true happiness lies in appreciating the simple things in life. Moving on to the next article, we shift our focus to the world of gaming. In an article from IGN, we learn about Xbox's decision to showcase rival platforms during their presentations. This may come as a surprise to some, as companies often try to promote their own products and downplay their competitors. But Xbox boss Phil Spencer has a different approach. Spencer believes in the power of collaboration and inclusivity in the gaming industry. He sees it as a way to bring people together and create a more diverse and welcoming community. By showcasing PlayStation and Nintendo logos during their presentations, Xbox is showing their support for their competitors and promoting a sense of unity. This decision has sparked some controversy, with some questioning Xbox's motives and others applauding their approach. But Spencer remains firm in his stance, stating that it's not about competition, but rather about bringing people together through a shared love for gaming. In the final article from BookTech, we learn about the highly anticipated game Rainbow Six Siege X. After months of rumors, Ubisoft has finally confirmed its existence during the Six Invitational esports tournament. The game promises to bring graphical, audio, and gameplay improvements, with a full-fledged showcase set for March 13th. Fans of the franchise are buzzing with excitement, eagerly awaiting more details about this new installment. And while some may be skeptical about yet another sequel, others are hopeful for the advancements and improvements that it may bring. But regardless of where you stand on this announcement, one thing is clear: the gaming industry is constantly evolving and pushing boundaries. And with each new release, there's always something to look forward to. In conclusion, these 3 articles offer a glimpse into different aspects of technology, from relationships to gaming. They highlight the importance of communication, inclusivity, and progress in our ever-changing world. And while they may spark some controversy or intrigue, they ultimately serve as a reminder to appreciate the simple things in life and to keep an open mind towards new ideas and advancements. Subscribe for your daily dose of the latest updates and breakthroughs in technology.